Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to talk about what are exporters in Prometheus. An exporter is a software or number of libraries or a server that help in exporting existing metrics from third-party system like Windows operating system, Linux operating system in the same format as of Prometheus matrix expects. It is useful for cases where it is not feasible to instrument a given system with a Prometheus matrix directly. For example, Linux system state and many more. So let's talk on that in more details. So how exporters it will be work. First it will be collect the data from that in a source system. So for example, here we have a CentOS or Windows operating system. We need to install that in a exporters for that. And what it will be happen, it will be collect the OS related informations, meaning CentOS or which is that in a Unix like operating system. Data it will be collect, for example CPU, RAM, disk space, right? And same similar kind of a data for the Windows, and then it will be collect it, and then it will be make a correct format whatever's Prometheus is like an understanding, and then Prometheus will be pull the data from that in a respective exporters. So these are the in a kind of a high level architecture, so how the exporters it will be work. And let's see how many exporters we have at the moment. So if you'll see that in a prometheus.io website, you will be see that in list of a third party exporters, or in that in a prometheus.io download page. So these are the official exporters listed over there. So like in Prometheus, which is come inbuilt alert manager, black box exporter, console, graphite, and many more. Node exporter is also there. However, Windows exporter is not a official one. So for that we have to go to that in that is also a community one. So we have to go to that in a github.com Prometheus community Windows underscore exporter, and you can see that in there is a several releases for that it is there, followed by the we need to download it, let's say exe or msf file, it's depend on that in your operating system you can download it. So these are the nothing but a high level exporters, right? If you'll see that in a how we can configure, once you'll download it, that in a exporter it will be something like that, Windows exporter exe. I just created a folder software Prometheus and Windows exporter and place it. uh, Apart from that, for configuring that in a exporter, we have a configurations file in prometheus.yml, and here you can see the Windows like it is configured under the scrap config, job underscore name, wmi underscore exporter, and statics config target localhost 9182. So by default port is 4x, Windows WMI exporter is 9182. Similarly, we have here other exporter as well. We can see that in their website. So the third party exporters we have around 1000 or 100 plus. So here you can see these are the exporters which is used for the database. Whatever's official it is there, they have highlighted in the official one and non-official. So in this page you can see that in all list of exporter. What I'll do in my next video, I'll let you know that in a how to configure, install and configure that in a WMI exporter, and other exporters in upcoming videos. So please, I just want to give you the context. I don't want to make a longer videos. So one particular point for one videos, and then I link that in all in the play, so which you can easily understood. Hopefully my video is make sense for you. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.